Hi friends! Today we are going to review this slime from Catscraft slime called Dreidel. This is a bingsu slime and it's scented sugar cookies. I was really excited to see this in their shop because a lot of times Hanukkah gets forgotten with merchandise around this time of year, so this was really exciting to see, and I really hope that other shops also do this because I know everybody's doing Christmas and New Year's slimes, but Hanukkah and even Kwanzaa and other holidays should not be forgotten. The only other shop I know of that's going to be doing Hanukkah slime is Library of Slime. The owner told me directly that she is planning to do a Hanukkah slime. So yeah, if anyone knows of any others, please let me know. So I'm not typically a huge bingsu fan. I have found a lot of times that they're very scratchy and that they have some fallout, and I haven't had one in a really long time, but I trust Catscraft. And also she told me in the comments that this was a softer bingsu bead than those big scratchy ones, so I'm excited. Also, this slime came with a dreidel, which is adorable. If you don't know what a dreidel is, it is a toy. It's a Hebrew toy for a game that children play around Hanukkah, and you spin it like that, and whatever it lands on, there are different things that you do. I haven't played it in forever and I don't speak Hebrew, so but you can always look it up if you are interested in more information. So let's check out this slime. Look at that color. I mean, that is one of the most beautiful blue colors I have ever seen. Let's smell it. Yeah, I can smell sugar cookies. It's very light. Hopefully it'll come out a little more when I stretch it and play with it. But yeah, I can definitely smell sugar cookies. Look how clear that is. Look at that clear. It's like glass. It's beautiful. Catscraft is a really good shop. They are extremely affordable. They have really quality products. This is absolutely stunning. Wow. Wow, gorgeous. Once I've sprayed my hands, it's not feeling tacky at all. Wow, this is incredible. I love this. It is not scratchy. So far, no fallout. Excellent bubble pops. Easy to stretch. Absolutely stunning. Let me smell it again. Yeah, the scent is pretty light, but it is there and it's very sweet and nice. Not tacky or sticky at all. And no fallout. This is stunning. Absolutely a 100 out of 100 for this slime. I stretched it a whole bunch, played with it for several minutes. Not tacky, not sticky, no fallout. Just absolutely A++. still not sticky or tacky at all. Bye, friends.